Want Japanese champion voices and lead without reinstalling the whole game? Here's the fastest way to switch your client to Japanese in under a minute. First, fully close League of Legends and the Riot client so we start clean. Now open the Riot client again and sign into your account like normal. On the left side, under League of Legends, click the little settings gear icon next to the play button. In this menu, find the game section and look for the language options. Make sure you're changing the in-game text and audio language, not just the client display language. Click the game language drop-down, scroll, and select Japanese from the list. Hit apply or confirm if needed, then close the settings window to lock it in. Now click play on League of Legends and let the client update or repatch the new Japanese voice files. Once it's done, queue up a quick custom or practice game to test the new voices safely. Lock in any champion and listen for the champion's select voice lines and in-game callouts in Japanese. If it's still not Japanese, restart both the Riot client and lead once more, then double-check the game language setting.